Hello and welcome to our video on WordPress error solving tutorials for creators. If you're a WordPress programmer, you may have encountered this error before. It's called fatal error, call to undefined method. When you encounter the fatal error, call to undefined method error in PHP, it typically means that you are trying to call a method that doesn't exist within a class. To solve this error, you can follow these steps. 1. Check the method name. Make sure that the name of the method you are trying to call is correct and matches the method name in the class definition. Also, ensure that you have spelled the method name correctly and that there are no typos. 2. Check the class definition. Verify that the class definition actually includes the method you are trying to call. If the method is missing, you will need to add it to the class definition. 3. Check the scope of the method. If the method is defined as private or protected, it can only be called from within the class or its subclasses, respectively. Make sure that you are calling the method from the correct scope. Check for typos and syntax errors. It is also possible that the error is due to a typo or syntax error in the code, such as a missing semicolon or an extra bracket. Review your code carefully and check for any such errors. 5. Check for namespace issues. If the class you are trying to call the method from is in a different namespace, you may need to import it using the use keyword or fully qualify the class name when calling the method. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the fatal error, call to undefined method error, and successfully call the desired method within the class. We hope you found this video useful, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.